So we are getting down to the bottom of the list here on Radar. Hope you've enjoyed our little tutorials. Billing is just your billing with Radar. My profile is, you can add a little cheesy photo of yourself if you want. You can give yourself a different profile color if you want. Also, on my profile, you can change your preferences, but it's just where it says about your date format, your time format. Again, I should change the date format to me. Isn't it weird that we have different date formats in different places in the world? In America, it's the other way around, isn't it? They have month, day. Your time format, that's all it is. You can change your password there. The notifications, oh, hang on, discard. So you can change your password if you want to. Your notifications, how often you get notifications off Radar, and just the terms and conditions. So that is my profile. And then down to need help, and this is Radar's Help. Yes, you could have come here first rather than watching my little videos, but if you ever get stuck on anything else on Radar, you can create tickets. There's tutorials on how to use everything. A little discussion group, because obviously it is growing fast, Radar. You know, you could tell them what you would like to see, and it'll, you know, they've got their roadmap now of what is coming up next on Radar. And you can see there's quite a lot coming up. Always worth looking at the stuff here. What they're going to be integrating soon, including Rumble and all sorts of great stuff coming up. If you need help also, you click there and you can contact the support. Anything else to show you? I think this is going to be the final video. I think we've explained just about everything that Radar does. I've not actually shown you the overview, have I? In fact, I'm going to make one more video of the overview, so bear with us on that one. I'll probably edit that out. What's new, we've already seen across the top. Notifications, we've already seen. You can set the appearance differently. You can have it compact or full screen. Support tickets. A guided tour of how it works. If you click that on it, it'll give you those little things that pop up to show you how it works and your language. And that is the last video. And I'll probably slot the overview one in higher up on the playlist. Thanks for watching them. As I say, it would be great if you are thinking of trying out Radar. Just go to the link in all of the descriptions of these videos, click on it and give it a try. And I will hopefully see you all posting with Radar. Of course, comment and tell me how you found it, or if you've got some other favorite social media software. Thanks for watching these tutorials. Do subscribe to my channel and I will see you again soon.